modules we started. What is a module? A group of functions, variables, and classes we can save it into a file is nothing but a module. In Python, every .py file is nothing but a one module only. Suppose here I created a module with the name of Mahesh Math. If I want to access this module contain one variable and two functions. If I want to access these into some another file, compulsory you have to use import is the keyword and that module name. By using that module name, we have to call the variables and functions we need to call. In the test.py, I'm importing Mahesh Math. By using that, I'm calling variable and functions. Sometimes if module name is very lengthy, just like, what is the name? Not your name, that boy name. Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Varaprasada Nagashastri. Instead of that, Shastri is there. Same instead of Mahesh Math, I can make it as a which one? Yum. Aliasing name we can provide it there, sir. Import module name. As is a keyword, after that name is called as aliasing name we can provide it. Then I need to call m.x, m.add, m.product. Second thing, as I don't want M also, direct variable I want to access. For that, we have one more two keywords are there from import. Then I need to go to the from import Mahesh Math. Star meant for all the functions variables are available to the current module. After that, this concept is called as member aliasing. Mahesh Math X as a Y. Once you're given, compulsory you have to use aliasing names only. If I can use original name, then we will get error. These are all the various possibilities. Sir, what is the use of the reloading a module? Because if I import the module only one time, it is imported. If in middle, if any changes are there, those changes are not applicable. To solve this problem, we can use the reload function from import lib module. After that, a module contains how many variables functions. For that, there is one function is there, dir. It will give current module variables and functions. Whereas a particular module I can require dir inside I can give the module name, then it will be displayed. Along with this, Python provided some built-in magic variables. A variable which can contain before two underscores, after two underscores, such type of variables are called as a magic variables. Internally, these variables contain some information for internal usage purpose. Python interpreter will be created these variables. In all these variables, one important variable is there, that is underscore name. Each variable stores some information, what the name contains. Go to D drive. Py test.py. Yes, these are all the variables internally available there, sir. Built-in, it contains a module name. Catchy, it return none. Documentation none. Filter none. So my thing is only thing name. So generally, everyone telling name contains which variable? Underscore. But in this case, it is contained the main only. But every time name variable does not contain main. What the value of the name? The name value will be changes. For example, sir, this name variable is available which file? Test.py. Okay. I'm removing all these nonsense. So name is available here. If I run the program directly, then only name variable contain which one? Main. Suppose name is available test.py. I'm calling this variable into some another function. For example, see this. I'm not running directly. I have to take one Python file, sir. Previously module 1 is there now. Yeah, this is the module 1. Remove this statement. So here two modules are there. One is module1.py, another one is test.py. In module1.py, I have to write some function. Def f1 is the function. Inside, if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to underscore main. And when name contains main method means, if I run the program directly this module 1, then only name variable contains main method. For example, this f1, is it possible to call into test.py or not? Possible. I'm importing module1.f1 automatically I'm calling. Then I'm importing some another function into my current module I'm running. Then name variable will be changes. What it is? Check this. If it is main, I have to print the code executed directly as a program. The value of name. What it is, I don't know. Print the variable. Then what is the value contains? It will be printed. If main not contain, definitely else block will be executed. If it is main, line number 3, 4 executed. It is not main, pakka, else block will be executed there. Now, executed indirectly as a module from some other module. Call F1. And that is the code. Here any explanation is not required. If the name contains main, line number 3, 4. If not main, line number 6 and 7 executed. F1 is available into which module? Module 1.py. Here it is available there. Now save this. Py module 1.py. Now this. Am I executed directly code or not? Yes, then it is the main method. Now, sir, you have to tell how to call this F1 into test.py. First of all, import. What is the module name? Module 1. By using module 1 dot, can I call F1 or not? Yes, our starting example, first example, Mahesh Math I'm importing. Mahesh Math dot add function I'm calling. Same story here also repeated. Module 1 imported, I'm calling F1. Now am I running directly program or I'm importing indirectly? So in this case, name variable does not contain main. From where you are importing this module 1, that name will be displayed. Check it. Sorry, which one I'm running? But which one I want to run? Test.py. That is the mistake. Now, the name variable contains main or module 1? What is the module 1? F1 where you are imported module 1, that module name will be displayed. That 90% people, everyone telling what is the underscore name variable means everyone telling answer is what it is main. But in this case, why it is not coming main? And a name always does not store main. Name will be decided. Are you executing program directly or you are importing anywhere from the functions? It will be decided. So that's why name does not contain always main. Based on the execution, name variable will be decided. Then make heading the special variable underscore name. The special variable underscore underscore name. For every Python program, for every Python program, a special variable underscore underscore name underscore underscore will be added internally. This variable stores information regarding whether the program is executed as or as a module. It will decided. If the program executed as a individual program, then the value of variable is main. If the program executed as a module from other program, then the value of this variable is the name of the module where it is defined. Hence, by using this variable, we can identify whether the program executed directly or as a module decided. నీ పేరేంటి? యువర్ నేమ్? మైసా. భలే రాత్నవే నోట్స్. పేజ్ 2 భాగాలు చేసి ఇటు అటు. లాస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ లో 2 o'clock లో ఒక అమ్మాయి అలా రాసేది. సేవ్ పేపరా? మాడ్యూల్ 1.py. Math module. Math is the predefined module. For example, you know, normal functions are there. Ante square root in mathematical functions. SQRT. Do you know this function in maths? Ceil function and floor function. Ceil means it is going to the next integer. Until 11.1 of ceil, it will goes to next integer 12. Are same floor of 11.1, it will goes to the nearest integer 11. Fabs అంటే float absolute value. Mathematical functions, all these are in mathematics functions, not in Python. Square root of 4, 2. Ceil of 11.1, 12. Floor of 11.1, 11. Fabs of 10.6, 10.6. And if you provide negative value also, it is given positive value only. That is Fabs function. Check it. I will write this. Go to test.py from math modules. Or sir, there are so many functions that just I'm telling 3, 4 only. So many are there. Okay, print sqrt of 4 and the 2 square root of 4 2 print of ceil of 10.1 one more. How is the value? Ceil spelling correct na? Spelling mistake. CEIL అనుకుంటా. Sir, 10.1 means it goes to the next nearest integer. What it is, sir? 11. Are same I'm using floor function, then 10. So many guys are thinking 10.6 అయితే 11, 10.2 అయితే 10. Ceil always will goes to next integer only. Floor will give nearest integer, that is 10, sir. ఇంకోటి ఏం చెప్పాం? Fabs of 10.1. Fabs of -10.6. ఇదిగోండి. FABS means float absolute value. You can give positive value, negative value. It will be displayed positive float value only. These are all the sum functions are there. If you want the import math, ఇక్కడ కాదు, ఇక్కడ go to Python shell, import module name math, help of whatever function p. Now, sir, చూడండి, if you want to ask any module, whatever functions are there, ఇదిగోండి ఏయో ఫంక్షన్ లో సైన్ అంట, కాసు, tan, ఇదిగో seal function ఉందా, seal. So whatever functions are there, all information will be provided. You can ask help. Cos h anta, degrees, dist, erf, and any functions. ఇది ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్. ఇదిగోండి fabs, return the absolute value of the float. Factorial, you know. So అలా if you want to ask, you can ask help. ఇదిగో floor, మాడ్యులో ఫంక్షన్ అంట, frex pia, fsum, gamma. Some else we discussed in our childhood, GCD, greatest common divisor. That this is the way how to check help above. Truncate, ఓహో ఇక్కడ ఉందా ఇది, ఇదిగోండి ఈ వాల్యూ 2.7. INF means infinity. Infinity can be defined as INF. In NumPy it will come. Nan means nan, not a number. JavaScript variable, it is a INF, NumPy lo variable, infinity. Generally I'm using 10/0 na, we are getting 0 division error. But in other language NumPy కానీ JavaScript will come INF, infinity. అది ఒకవేళ నెంబర్ కాదు, NaN, one data type, not a number. Nan means are now working with math module. Python provides inbuilt module math. This module defines which can be used for arithmetical operation. Square, seal, floor. Do you know logarithm values? Sine, ఇవన్నీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, దానిలో ఇంటర్మీడియట్, సైన్, కాస్, tan, fabs, mathematics related functions. Import math. Any module, just help a function you can give inside, give the module name. Whatever functions available, documentation, everything will be displayed. They are working with one more module is their important module, random module. So random module contains different functions to generate the random numbers like OTPs. Generally, whenever we are doing any transaction, online transaction, we will get OTP, 4-digit, 6-digit OTPs, and passwords, alphabets with the numbers combination. At the time of cryptography, if anybody came from MCA background, there is one subject is there cryptography, encrypted format. And I will give a normal text, it is converted to encrypted format, encryption, decryption algorithms are there. Same here also, random module contain different functions. Inside the first function is random itself only. From random import star print module name random function itself only random only. So if I'm given parenthesis means it is one function. I'm giving just a random with parenthesis. What is the value it will be generated? Anyone? What is the output we'll get? One random number will be generated. What is that random number? Something. One number will be generated. The number should be in between 0 and 1. Tell any number 0 and 1 in between 0 1. 0.12345, 0.3456, 0.789, 0.5678. Any number, it should be 0 to 1 only, but not equal to 0, not equal to 1. Middle value will be generated. Now, sir, how many times can I execute? Use some for loop, then it will execute for I in range of 10. 10 random number generated. Every number should be 0 to 1 only. Check it. It never generate 0 and 1. Middle number will be generated. Which number? We don't know. Randomly, it will select the number. That is the first function, random. This module defines several functions to generate random numbers. We can use these functions games, cryptography, and to generate on fly for authentication means passwords. The first function itself, random. This function always generates some float between 0 and 1, not inclusive. Hmm? 0 and 1. Second one, rand int. Within the given numbers, one random integer will be generated inclusive. For example, I am given char 0, 9. One random number generated 0 to 9, maybe 0, 9 also will come inclusive. Sorry. Rand integer of 0, 9. ఇంకోండి 0, 0, 0, 9 రాలా 0, 0. So it will inclusive of numbers. ఇదిగోండి 9, 0. But previous case 0, 1 never comes. Here it is coming 0, 9 also will come. That is the second function rand it. To generate a random integer between two given numbers inclusive. That is the second one, rand int. Generate 10 4-digit random numbers. Every number should contain 4 digits. Like that, I want to generate 10 random numbers, just like OTP. How to do this means, for example, sir, here 0 to 9 means it is generated one number. This type of numbers 4 I can require. 4. Now run the program. 4-digit random numbers came. OTPs can be generated like this only. Completed. Third one, uniform. Uniform. Uniform function will be generated same. Whatever I am given the uniform function, the values will be generated in between the, for example, 10 numbers will be generated uniform 1, 10. 1 to 10 in middle float numbers will be generated, not 1 and 10. In between values come 8.8.5.1. So between 1 and 10, one random number generated float values. That is the uniform function. It returns random float values between two given numbers, not inclusive. Random, randint, uniform, not inclusive. What happens? Aren't everyone messaging na already? Previous links are. Sir, fourth one, rand range. Sir, already at the time of data types, range function we discussed. Please tell if a given range of 10, what the values will be generated? 0 to 9. Sir, if a given range of 10 comma 20, 10 to 19, sir. If I'm given range of 10 comma 20 comma 2, 10, 12, 14, even number generated. So first case, if I'm given 10 means I'm not given starting value. By default, starting value should be 0. Second case, 10 comma 20 means by default increment value 1. And step or increment value 1. In the third case, if I'm given 10 comma 20 comma 2, 2 is nothing but step or increment value. Same function, I can implement what I'm given rand. Range means 0 to 9 pakka, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 sequence. But rand means random number. Which number will come, we don't know. But the number should be available 0 to 9. Maybe 0 will come 2 times or 1 will come 3 times, 5. Which number will come, I don't know. But the number should be 0 to 9, sir. Ikkada 10 to 20. Any number will come. Range function will go starting to ending position sequence of numbers. Random function, we don't know any number. Now in this case, rand range of 10, 20, comma 2. Which numbers will come? Ante the number should be either 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 5 numbers. But I'm asking 10 numbers. Na? Maybe repetition will come. It never generates 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Odd numbers never generated. Because already first range function applied. In that randomly it is selected. Like this. Outputs. rand range of 10, sir. Which number will come, we don't know, but the number should be must and should idigonde. 9 repeated 2, 3, 4 times. 7 repeated 2 times. 0, 1, both. 2, 3 times, okay. Like that will come. Other if I'm given my values are 1 comma 11. Now 1 to 10, which will come, we don't know. Other I'm given 1 comma 11 comma 2. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In that randomly it is selected the value. It never generate even number. చూడండి 5, 3, 7, 7, 7, 7, 5, 7, 3, 1. That is called as rand range. It returns a random number from the range. Start value less than or equal to x less than stop value. Optional. Default value is 0. A number from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is rand range. If one choice function. First of all, it won't return any random number. But what it will return? It won't return any random numbers. For example, I have to take a list of values or a tuple of values. I have to provided value. Sunny, Samantha. Now I have to given what is the functions are choice from where L. List lo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 names are there. Randomly it is selected 10 names. ఇంగోండి. సమంత సమంత కత్రిన దీపిక కరీనా మళ్ళీ సమంత అయ్యో సన్నీ నాట్ కేమ్ నౌ కేమ్ 4 times. So it may be a collection, maybe list or maybe tuple also valid only. Valid. Suppose what it is? Set. Set invalid because set does not supporting indexing. That's why you can use list or tuple set invalid because of set lo indexing is not there. List to tuple indexing concept is there. Based on indexes, it is taken. Sir, my indexing is there means can I go with string s equal to Sunny Leone? Choice of S. Is it valid? Yes, string contains indexing concept. That's why it is perfectly valid. Letters it will be selected. 10 letters. So string list tuple valid list is, sorry, set is invalid. It will return a random object from the given list tuple or string. Only these three valids are. Choice of L. Choice of S. Ravi, some of the functions random, randint, uniform, rand range, choice. Based on these functions, you have to write the program. You have to generate random passwords. 10 I can require random passwords of 6 length where 135 135 are alphabets, capital letters, and 2, 4, 6 are digits. Ala 10 I can require. For example, my password first letter, any alphabet number, alphabet number, alphabet number. Itla kavali combination. 1, 3, 5 alphabets, 2, 4, 6 digits I can require. Write the program. Alphabet digit, alphabet digit, alphabet digit. The length should be 6. Anyone tell how to generate password? Alphabet number, alphabet number, alphabet number. Sir, which function is suitable? Choice. Choice does not return a number, but my requirement number is there. Ikkada. Choice is not suitable. Sir, here observe. First, I can require alphabet, capital A to capital Z. For that purpose, O or D of, you can ask a value number. What is a value? 65. అప్పుడు Z value ఎంత అవుతుంది? 65 plus 25. 90. You can ask CHR of 89. Sorry, అయితే CHR of 90. Z. Okay, done. Sir, first I want to generate alphabet. So the alphabet number should be started from 65, ending value 90. Ante first of all, observe carefully. What is the meaning of this one? You have to tell, then I will explain. 65, 90. What is the meaning? One random number generated from 65 to 90. 65, 90 also inclusive. Okay, done. Okay, import random. By using random, I can call there. Fine. So once I am generating import random dot randint of 65, 90. అదిగోండి నెంబర్ జనరేటెడ్ సెకండ్ టైం, థర్డ్ టైం, ఫోర్త్ టైం, సిక్స్త్ టైం, సెవెంత్ టైం, నెంబర్ జనరేటెడ్ దేర్. That number character I can require. So can I use character? This total thing can I use or not? Yes. Then one number generated, the corresponding character will be printed. అదిగోండి. O, execute P, E, L, U, B. Came, not came? Came. One number, corresponding character. Come to our program. Now, remove this. Here, I want to go with same thing I am using just now. What term explained for you? Character of rand integer of 65 to 1, 2, 3, parenthesis 1, 2, 3. Fine. Now run the program. Exit from Python shell. Clear the screen. Run the program. Okay. Okay. ఇంకోండి 10 alphabets వచ్చినాయి. Second character, what is required for you? Number. Randint of, what is the meaning of 0, 9? One number will be generated. Alphabet number. Now, how many sets you can require? 3 sets. 3 into 2, 6. ఇదిగోండి. Alphabet number. Generated? Yes. That is the way of generating the values. It is module chapter finished. Next in Core Python, last topic is there, that is packages. packages. Once it is finished, core Python is over. Then we will go to the advanced Python. Wow. Sir, we are getting some output for below code also. Random import. ఎవరు పంపించింది సుభాష్. Random import star Z. Print choice of S. Random 09 choice of S. Very good. Excellent. ఇంకేమైంది వామ్మో ఇదేంటి ఎంత ఉంది అజయ్ define alphanumeric symbols and digits alphabet symbols string dot ASCII letters with digits string dot digits specific criteria password random choice alphabet comma symbols if I% equal to 0 else random choice digit find danger 1 comma 7 convert the list to string ఈ లోపు జీవితకాలం అయిపోద్ది So tomorrow I will explain packages. Packages are just 15 minutes matter only folder structure. There is no coding, nothing. After that, I will start our advanced Python concepts.